Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amy Carter. Replacing your home's problem windows is a project you only want to do once. So choosing the right window material and the right window company are so important. Well, we've got the replacement window company for you. I'm here with Lucy O'Shields of Renewal by Andersen. Welcome to Showcase Richmond.
Hi, thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Yes, and just to start things off, Renewal by Andersen's process is different from other window companies. So tell us a little bit more about that.
Well, when you go into a replacement window project, often I feel like you're the general contractor, right? So you're having to buy the windows, or you're doing the research to find an installer, and then you're having to manage the installation. So with Renewal by Andersen, we are the start to finish replacement window company. And really that means we're going to handle every step of the project for you, from the consultation really to the installation. And we take out that middleman, so we're your only point of contact throughout your whole project.
That is good to know. And you know, there are a lot of window materials to choose from for replacement windows. What makes yours the best choice?
Well, our windows are actually made of our exclusive composite material built to last decades, right? So for homeowners out there who are really looking for a strong, energy efficient window, well, our Fibrex window is 2 times the strength of vinyl. It's rigid, it's durable. Our weather tight seals stay weather tight. And for those that are looking for really a beautiful window, but also energy efficient, you know, you're never going to have to paint it or scrape it like you do a wood window. So it's really the best choice for your home.
Definitely so. And you all have a great special going on right now on your windows and doors. Tell us those details.
Yes. Well, I love the springtime. Now through April 30th, you can get 20% off of everything. And that's 20% off of your windows, 20% off of your doors, meaning your patio and entry doors. And you can get it all with no money down, no payments, no interest for an entire year. I mean, that's your whole project that you can get done and pay nothing until April 2026.
Yeah, that is pretty incredible. Definitely something you want to take advantage of. And then in addition to windows, you guys also offer beautiful patio doors. Talk a little bit more about that.
We do. We offer many different patio doors, including our traditional French doors and our gliding doors, and we can customize them with various hardwares, grill patterns, even interior stains. And for security options, we actually have a 5-point locking system for our hinge patio doors and a reach-out locking system for our gliding doors. And all of our patio doors come with our continuous weather stripping, and that really prevents the drafts from coming in and provides superior energy efficiency.
Yeah, no, that's good to mention. And you know, some people worry that a project like this may not fit into their budget. So how does Renewal by Andersen work with customers to really fit anybody's budget?
Yeah, that's a great question. We actually install windows and doors in all types of homes under all types of budgets. And so many homeowners go into these projects not even expecting to pay through financing, but after seeing our options, really do opt in, because you can get your whole project done with low monthly payments, all while saving money. So at the end of the day, we really want our homeowners to walk away with windows and doors that they love at a price they feel good about.
Definitely so. And what's the feedback you hear from customers?
Well, our feedback lately has been just raving reviews, not only from the beginning, but to the end. So from everyone they get to speak with and deal with, from our marketers to our design consultants, even to our wonderful installers and servicemen and women. We are under a process of keeping everyone delighted, but working with our signature service process. And that's delighting homeowners and hoping we can create that home experience of their dreams.
Yes, I love that. Thank you so much, Lucy. And don't miss this limited time special going on right now at Renewal by Andersen through April 30th. Again, save 20% on all windows, patio doors, and entry doors with no money down, no payments, and no interest for a year. Give them a call today, 804-496-2600.